In the coming 15 years, global average air temperature is expected to rise by 0.3 to zero point 0.7 degrees Celsius. This is about a 0.5 to 1.25 degree Fahrenheit change over the whole planet, but temperatures over land masses and higher latitudes are expected to rise even faster. The average annual temperature of the northwest United States has risen 1.54 degrees Fahrenheit since the beginning of the 1900s. Glacier National Park, located in northern Montana, was named for the presence of 146 glaciers within the park's boundaries. As the average annual temperatures have increased in the northwest U.S., the park's eponymous glaciers have been steadily disappearing and only 26 glaciers remain. Projections for the Northwest say that average annual temperatures will increase by 3.66 to 4.76 degrees Fahrenheit by the year 2065. The melting of glaciers has a strong effect on the surrounding ecosystems. Local fish and aquatic insects are adapted to the cold meltwaters, and rising temperatures put them severely at risk. Glaciers also help to store winter precipitation for summer months, and without glacial melt to feed them, the streams may dry up entirely. Past and current warming trends have already melted 82% of Glacier National Park's glaciers, and if warming projections are accurate, the park may soon need a new name. The only way to prevent the rapid loss of the remaining glaciers is to reduce global carbon emissions and slow the rate of temperature increase.